Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Login with Shaina, and in my Explore the Hidden Goa series, we are here at the ancestral house in Goa, which is in the Chandor area of Goa. The link will be in description. So guys, now I am going to give a complete tour of this ancestral house in my video. So watch this video till the end, and now let's get into the video.
Okay, now. Again, this is originally Goan family, originally landlords, the Braganza family. One of my ancestors had only daughters, got married to a Pareda. So Braganza Pareda family. Yeah? Where all generations have lived here today, 14, 15, 16 generation is living. Started in the 1500s, just for 400 more years, we're all tiling in the house, that's Italian. Only a family chapel I'll be showing you all, that is Spanish style. Marble on top of the tables also is Italian, but all furniture made in Goa, handcrafted by Goan carpenters. It's made of rosewood. Ceilings made of thick wood. And all crystal chandeliers and mirrors you all can see, they are from Belgium. All chandeliers used with candles till the 1970s. There are no electricity in the village. And the jars you all can see and the wall plates, they are all made of porcelain but from Macau. A stand that you enter, that's for your hats and coats. Down is for walking sticks and umbrellas. And this is a love seat, where you sit opposite. You sit opposite and you have a conversation. All wall paintings, they are hand painted, but that's a hand painting. A painting matching to the styles. And these chairs you can see the initials. The chairs are the initials of my great-great-grandfather. He was Vice Consular of Spain but acting in Goa. That is AFSP, Antonio Francisco Santana Pereira. Elephant tusks on the table and the legs of the table carved in the shape of an elephant trunk. And this is made of ruby, a ruby glass crystal candlestick.
This is also from Europe, or?
This is all mirrors, the chandeliers, and the glass is all from Belgium.
Okay.
And this is made of glass, but this is made in Goa itself. And those two are turtle shells. They were sea turtles, also caught in Goa only, but 400 more years. Bogmalo Beach, but 400 more years.
Original turtles.
Yeah, sea turtles. This is the sitting room. Now we'll go to the gallery. This is our gallery. This is Italian mosaic flooring. And the table with colored Italian marble on top. It is carved with a monkey eating a breadfruit upside down. And that's Coco de Mer. Coco de Mer meaning coconut from the sea. A real coconut, you get it only in the sea, and Seychelles, that's the island in East Africa. Very rare now, and you cannot bring this out of Seychelles anymore. A real coconut. A planter's chair where you sit down, put your legs on top and you relax. Males use both legs on different, and females use both on one. Only this is made in Mysore. This is a sandalwood box. It was meant to keep jewelry. These are the teeth of hippopotamus, and the side are the horns of rhinoceros.
Hippopotamus.
Yeah, middle these are of hippopotamus, side are of rhinoceros. And only this is made in Mysore, a sandalwood box. It was meant to keep jewelry. And as I told you, all wall plates, jars, they are all from Macau, made of porcelain. This is a set made of porcelain, but this is made in Goa.
Okay.
And these are skulls of catfish. Catfish is a river fish. Sangta.
Sangtan.
And a radio and a refrigerator. This too, what I am going to show you all, that's of the 1940s. And this is a Philips radio made in Holland. That time only two makes. Philips made in Holland and Murphy made in Germany. This is Philips made in Holland. And 1, 2, 3, in these 3 cupboards, these are not old, but these were souvenirs given to the family by family friends. It was after the house was open to the public.
Okay.
All family friends had given souvenirs. And this was for traveling. In olden days, no bags, no suitcases, traveling by ship, all done in all this type of chest, where two people used to lift us and take. The base used to remain here only, then you bring it back, you put it here. And these paintings on top, 16th century European paintings, but were painted by Chinese artists. They are reverse paintings, painted on the backside of the glass paintings. And a writing desk that is carved in the sunburst design. Sunburst, rays of the sun. In the dining room, only here this is modern tiling because this was just plain before. Only the tiling here is modern because this was just plain before. This is the dining room, a boat-shaped ceiling. And that's an oyster shell tray, mother of pearl but from the Philippines. And those are very old beer mugs from Germany. It's copper inside, wood outside. Copper and wood to keep the beer cold. Very old beer mugs from Germany. Dining table actually for 20 people, but if you are less, you remove the center and you join both. And that's an Alvin Pressfold refrigerator that's made in Hyderabad. But with American collaboration, that's also of the 1940s, that used to work on kerosene. Kerosene, yeah. And as I told you, this village got electricity in the 1970s. From then, this is unused.
So,
Alvin.
19, this is from Hyderabad.
1940s.
Yeah. The radio and the refrigerator is of the 1940s. And that's sterling silver from England, and on top there are ceramic gin bottles. Ceramic gin bottles, but from Rotterdam, Holland. And that was a German soda maker imported by the Portuguese when they were ruling Goa. And this was the bottle they used to bottle it. As you fill the soda due to the gas, the marble gets stuck on top, you
Like
press open. And this is the eye of the bottle that holds the marble when you drink. You can't drink it the opposite way, So you drink it only one side. This is our family chapel. Family chapel dedicated to Our Lady of Piety. The design of the altar, that's the Spanish Baroque. Here, this is Spanish styling. Those are candle stands on top, and that's an old confessional chair. Today they are cabins, but in olden days was a chair where the priest used to sit in this direction, people kneel down and confess. Now they are cabins.
Yes. Confession.
Yeah. And relic of Saint Francis given to this family is a fingernail. As I told her, my great-great-grandfather was Vice Consul of Spain, acting in Goa. Originally, Saint Francis Xavier is from Spain. And Saint Francis Xavier was a Jesuit, so were our ancestors. That's how the relic given to the family. And the sacrament you all can see in the box, gold and diamonds studded around it. The glass oval thing. In the sacrament, the glass oval thing, in that the gold plated. That's the fingernail of Saint Francis Xavier given to the family. This is the ballroom dancing, Italian marble. Only here the ceiling is made of perforated zinc metal. That's for the better acoustics. All crystal chandeliers, mirrors, as I told you, from Belgium, even the stained glass.
But this acoustics is...
No, redone.
It's redone. It's not that old.
No, this is done the way it was before. Hardly get this back anymore.
Refurbished.
And this is a painting to look like marble. This is untouched, because this cannot be done anymore. And these two chairs in the 1800s gifted to my great-great-grandfather and mother by the King of Portugal of the last dynasty, King Louis. Please. That's a piano that cannot be repaired, you don't get its parts anymore. Its keys are either importers and agents, Astros and Company from Bombay, but actually made in England. But importers and agents were Astros and Company from Bombay. Made in England, ivory coated keys. You can't repair, you don't get its parts anymore. This was a guest bedroom unused by the family. But any family friend used to come, used to relax over here. Now unused and just a single bed kept. Where the cupboard you can see and the tables you can see that's engraved with mother of pearl. Mother of pearl. This is all mother of pearl. And that's a commode for emergencies are used in the bedroom itself. That time no taps and all, wash basin for the soap, the sides for the towels. This way, then this lift you don't take. Right? This commode used for emergencies in the bedroom itself, downwards to remove the waste. Wash basin for the soap, the sides for the towels. All bedrooms are this. This was for emergency. And that's 5 in 1. All bedrooms are this also. For the coats, for the shirts, for the trousers, for the hats, and down is for the shoes. All bedrooms are this.
This is also rosewood.
Yeah, all furniture made of rosewood. Only the sandalwood box that's made
From
from.
Mysore, yeah.
Rest is our palanquins, palki.
Palki, yeah.
Mode of transport for two, where 4 people, 2 on either side used to lift and take. An open one, that's a closed one. And these are written in Portuguese, tombstones of my great-great-grandfather and mother. AFSP initials I showed you all on the chairs. Antonio Francisco de Santana Pereira passed away 7th May 1897. And great-great-grandmother Maria Rita da Cunha Pereira passed away 11th January 1898. The 2 chairs in the ballroom I showed you all were gifted to them. And cross for Christianity, star for Christmas, and these are doves for peace. This was an all. These are all made in Goa, made of terracotta. This is just a table and an evening sitting, Just a table and an evening sitting, which was just plain before, but done later in the Spanish Gaudi style that's mostly seen in Barcelona. You might have heard of Antonio Gaudi, the architect from Spain. Last white mausoleum behind the pole, the round top. This is the cross of the church, not the first, but behind the pole, the round top. That's the mausoleum of our family. You'll see that. That's it.
right. Asa, Harichan.
This Tani?
बरोबर ते.
That's why anyone who enters here, no?
Yeah.
They were with the gun.
So this is a wide angle of this house. It's from the 15th century. They charged us 200 rupees per person for the tour of the house, even for kids. So guys, I hope you like this tour. After a long time I have made a vlog, and this was quite a exciting and interesting vlog. I hope you all liked it. If you all did like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will really motivate me. Bye.